channel, and I have nerf guns I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start up here. So this is a zombie strike. It's kind of cool. It comes with 3 darts, and I already use it. I know you guys watch
también ahorita me acabo de levantar.
I know you guys seen this in YouTube channel in this nerf gun, and I'm gonna go. We haven't used this in a video, but stay tuned. It's gonna be in an upcoming video. And I have these 2 nerf guns, are cool because they come with 3 darts. And if you come with 3, it makes 6. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can shoot them like this. And the last one is this. And this is a very cool nerf gun. And you can get this gun in Target, and you can get these 2 in Target too, because I got these in Target. But I didn't got this one in Target. I got this one in Walmart. And I got this one for my birthday. And that's it. So hey guys, well if you want to watch more of my videos, you can watch them